Hi everyone, so join us for the next beauty from our anniversary trip. There is still more to come. So most of these activities happen to be my very first experience, especially as regards to sea and air. In the land we did a dirt road RTV drive, bike drive. I'll show you that. And then we did a fly on the sky. And then this is a tour in the ocean. Yes, we decided to take a private boat tour across downtown Miami to see the city through water. So this is another beautiful one. I already shared the pictures and you see how amazing, it was. It was very classic, very beautiful. The boat was very secure and beautiful. Every safety rule was put in check. And we set off for the ride. Not too fast, a little calm enough for you to chat, have conversation, and relax. Water is very powerful, guys. The way you are looking at this, when you are on it, you see how powerful the water is. But like I said, this is a private, gradual tour for you to relax and look around. We were given a bottle of chilled wine, like it was very chilled. And for us to just drink and relax, let's have our nerves down as we continue. So as we rode through the beautiful boats, just having this gentle breeze from water, we sail, under the Miami sky, just to look at what is going on. This is a vast ocean expanse stretched endlessly before us. It was just like a canvas of blue painted with strokes of shimmering sunlight. Ama m ka m ga-esi kọwaa ka o si wee tọọ ụtọ wee nọrọ nnọọ otu ị na-ahụkwa m mgbe e bidoro ya otu a ka obi na-eme m gbigbim hei na-asọ gịnịkwa kedu ihe m ga-akọrọ chi m mana oge e bidoro ịhụ na onye na-anyị atụsara nnọọ ahụ nyere anyị banye ebe anyị ga-ahụ nnọọ ka ya bụ obodo Miami si wee mma nke ha kpọrọ downtown. Obodo niile nwere downtown wee legharịsịa anya. Ọ dịkwa ka ọ na-agbata obere ọsọ ọ kwụsịtụkwa ka ejiri ya nwayọọ wee na-ahụ ihe na-eme. Nke a bụ nke anyị mere n'elu mmiri. Unu lee anya, ọ bụ nnọọ ihe bụ sọ mma. Ọ bụkwa na anyị mee unu mana ka anyị si eme ya. Mụ na dike m na-abụ ọ bụrụ na anyị nọrọ, anyị na-agba mbọ ka anyị hụ na anyị anọteghị aka, na anyị na-emetụ aka, anyị na-esusu ọnụ, anyị na-akparịta, anyị na-ekwurịta gbasara ihe anyị na-ahụ, ihe dị anyị n'obi, ka onwe anyị si atọ anyị ụtọ. Anyị na-ekwupụta ya ọfụma mgbe niile. Ọ bụkwa na anyị nọ ihe ọzọ ị ga-ahụ anyị na-eme nke ọma bụ ihe gbasara nsusu. Anyị akwadowela ahụ ya. Ọ dị mkpa oriwe ya na chi gị nyere gị. Ọ bụrụ na mụ na ike mbido nsusu, anyị anaghị ewechalị ya otu ugboro, anyị na-ejiri nwayọọ were ya gaba. Maka na ọ na-adị ike m mma, ọ na-adịkwa m mma. Ihe a bụ njem di na nwaanyị hụrụ onwe ha n'anya, na-agbakwa mbọ ka ha hụ na ihe gbasara ka ha si bido, etu ha si bido abịaghị wee lakpuo n'ihi na anụọla. Ya bụ na anyị na-agba mbọ. It is an intentional effort to keep on nurturing and spicing our relationship. in such a way that the fire never quenches. We want it to keep vibing. You understand? So, for everyone who is wishing to have a partner that they are going to experience the world with and have a certain crazy adventure, I wish you all the best. I wish you well in it. Ihe na na-efichapụ ya bụ penti ọnụ. So, I wish you all the best in your heart desires, and I pray that you get what you seek. And remember, you are what you seek. You also have to reflect what you seek. Remember also that pictures and videos are not all that it is to a union. I don't know much about it, so I am not going to go deep into speaking about unions and marriages or relationship. I am also in the process. Remember, it's a process. Ikem will say it's an alchemy of becoming. We are never perfect. We just continue to work towards the path that will lead to a seeming perfection, something as beautiful that you wouldn't want to lose. So, one of it that we do to ensure that we continue to walk that path towards a seeming perfection is to be intentional and to be touchy and to be romantic and to be considerate and to be present in each other's life. If we are at home, this is just something that you see on picture. If we're at home, it's even more. We can pass each other without touching, hugging, kisses, and talking, and just spicing it. Just keep on the very first ways we started. I don't even think we really started like this. I think as we progressed into marriage, it became more. So don't try to put all the fire in just relationship, and then when you are married, you quench it all. I would say for us, it even became more after marriage. There are things I never thought I would do, like public expression of love. But today, I gladly, joyfully, and passionately do it. So we keep growing, and we are both in very, very, very intentional in expressing, voicing it out all the time, touching and doing what we have to do. So you see, we still take it up. So it was a beautiful experience going through this tour, and like I said, I will continue to share more of it. We did a lot of things, a lot. If you want to experience this, just browse online on how to, and if you're in the US or anywhere, you can.
Amaghị ma nkọwa m ọ dị gị mma, anyị ka ya aga n'ihu.